Hello everyone. Today let's make this banging smoking hot fish curry which is absolutely easy to make. You need only 30 minutes for this and is super delicious with some hot rice. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this you will need some mustard seeds, some fenugreek seeds and chili powder, 2 small onions, you can use shallots instead, some garlic, small piece of ginger, green chili and curry leaves. I've used Malabar tamarind here, you can use normal tamarind as well, fish of choice and some coconut oil. Heat the oil in a pan and add some mustard seeds and wait until they splutter. To this add some fenugreek seeds, some curry leaves, 2 green chilies slit, and then the onion and ginger garlic blended. Fry them in the coconut oil. You don't have to wait until they turn brown. Add in some turmeric powder, some chili powder. I'm adding very little because mine is red and spicy at the same time. Give it a good mix. Make sure the raw smell goes away. This might take a while, about 10 minutes. When the onions and ginger garlic clump up together like this will be the right time to add in your tamarind water. You could use normal tamarind, a lime sized dissolved in water, or kodambuli Malabar tamarind. Give it a good mix. Add in as much water as you'd like the gravy to be. You have to keep the fish curry thick, so don't add too much. Add in your salt, give it a good mix and bring it to a boil. Once the curry starts to boil, you can add in your fish. I'm adding sardines because they are my absolute favorite in the entire world. You can add any fish of your choice. Reduce the heat, close and cook until the fish is cooked thoroughly. And there you have it. The curry is done. Be gentle while you stir the curry because you don't want to break the fish into pieces. Add in some coconut oil at the end and some curry leaves if you want to, and let it sit overnight. And look at that. It thickens up. It becomes 100 times more delicious if you wait long enough. Have it along with some hot rice, with some salad or beans or any vegetable on the side. And there you have your complete meal. The curry is done. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye.